Hello friends, welcome to our channel and today we are going to talk about lean. Do you know what is lean? Do you know why lean is important in everything we do? Do you know how lean works and how it can help us to improve everything we do? If not, don't worry, we will explain it to you in a way that it would be easier for you to understand. In lean, there are 8 types of waste that are commonly identified, vividly known as the 8 wastes. These wastes can be found in any process, whether it's in manufacturing, healthcare, or service industry. Identifying and eliminating these wastes is a key principle of lean as it leads to increased efficiency and effectiveness and ultimately more value for the customer. Let's identify the muda or waste in lean. So the first type of waste is overproduction, which means producing more than what the customer needs or wants, resulting in excess inventory, unnecessary expenses, and wasted resources. Next comes unnecessary waiting or wait time, which means there's a delay in the process, whether it's waiting for material, information, or approvals, resulting in lost time, increased lead time, and reduced productivity. The third kind of waste is transportation, which means unnecessary movement of material or products, resulting in increased cost, damaged good, and wasted time. The next kind of waste is unnecessary processing steps, which means unnecessary or redundant step in a process resulting in wasted effort, time, and resources. The next kind of waste is inventory, which means any excess inventory or material that are not immediately needed may result in increased storage costs, potential for damage or loss, and reduced cash flow. Another form of waste is motion. It includes unnecessary or inefficient movement of people or equipment, resulting in wasted time, effort, and energy. Defects are also considered as waste. Errors or mistakes that result in scrap, rework, or customer dissatisfaction, resulting in wasted resource, increased cost, and loss of reputation. Unused talents are also considered as waste. Underutilizing the skills, knowledge, and the creativity of employees, resulting in lost opportunities for improvement, reduced engagement, and increased turnover. By identifying and eliminating these wastes, lean organization can become more efficient, effective, and competitive, and ultimately provide more value to our life and our customers. Lean is a way of thinking about how to do things better. It's like a game where you try to find ways to do things faster, cheaper, and better. Lean helps you to use less time, less money, and less effort to get same or even better results. It is a way to be efficient and effective. Efficiency means doing things right, while effectiveness means doing the right things. Lean is about doing both things right and doing the right things. It's a way to make things better and easier for everyone involved. Lean can be used in many areas of life, including business, healthcare, education, and even at home. It's a way to improve processed product and services. Lean is also about continuous improvement, which means that you are always looking for ways to make things even better. I hope by now you must have understood what is lean. So let us try to find out why lean is so important. Lean helps you to save time, money, and effort, which are all important resources. By saving these resources, you can use them for other important things. Lean also helps you to make better decisions by providing you with data and information. It helps you to eliminate waste, which is anything that doesn't add value to the customer. Lean can improve quality by making sure that everything is done right the first time. It can also improve safety by identifying and eliminating hazards and risks. Lean can help you to be more competitive by providing you with a competitive advantage. It can also help you to grow your business by improving your customer satisfaction and loyalty. Lean can help you to create a better work environment by involving and empowering employees. It can also help you to create a culture of continuous improvement, which is essential for long-term success. Let me ask you a quick question. Do you know how lean works? Lean works by identifying and eliminating waste. Waste can take many forms such as overproduction, waiting, defects, unnecessary motion, excessive inventory, overprocessing, and unused talent, what we have just discussed earlier. By eliminating waste, you can create more value for the customer. Lean also works by improving flow. Flow is the movement of a product or service through the value stream. By improving flow, you can reduce lead time, increase throughput, and improve customer responsiveness. Lean also works by creating a pull system. A pull system is a way to produce only what the customer wants, when the customer wants it. By creating a pull system, you can reduce inventory, reduce lead time, and increase customer satisfaction. Lean also works by involving and empowering employees. Employees are the ones who know the processes best, and they can provide valuable insight and ideas for improvement. By involving and empowering employees, you can create a culture of continuous improvement. Now let me give you a few examples of Lean so that it will help you to understand the concept better. In a hospital, Lean can help to reduce wait times, improve patient safety, and increase the quality of care. In a factory, Lean can help to reduce defects, increase productivity, and reduce lead time. In a school, Lean can help to improve student performance, reduce waste, and increase teacher satisfaction. In a restaurant, Lean can help to reduce food waste, improve order accuracy, and increase customer satisfaction. In a software development company, Lean can help to reduce bugs, increase customer satisfaction, and reduce lead time. In a retail store, Lean can help to reduce inventory, improve customer service, and increase sales. In a construction company, Lean can help to reduce rework, improve safety, and reduce project completion time. In a government agency, Lean can help to improve customer service, reduce waste, and increase transparency. In a non-profit organization, Lean can help to improve efficiency, increase donor satisfaction, and reduce overhead cost. In a household, Lean can help to reduce clutters, save time, and reduce expenses. Let us now discuss some tools and techniques which are used in Lean. There are many tools and techniques that can be used in Lean, such as value stream mapping, 5S, Kaizen, Kanban, Poka-yoke, standard work, and continuous improvement. Value stream mapping is a way to visualize the entire process from beginning to end and identify areas for improvement. 5S is a way to organize and maintain the workspace to reduce waste and improve safety. Kaizen is a way to make continuous small improvement to the process. Kanban is a way to manage inventory and production flow. Poka-yoke is a way to prevent errors and defects from happening. Standard work is a way to document the best way to do a process and ensure consistency. So there you have it. Lean is a way of thinking about how to do things better by being efficient and effective, eliminating waste, improving flow, involving and empowering employees, and continuously improving. So Lean can be used in many areas of life, and there are many tools and techniques that can be used to implement it. We hope you have learned something new today. Having said that, what we have discussed is just like a tip of an iceberg, and there are more which are yet to be covered. Let me know through your comments if you want us to create a second part of this video. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.